I wanted to show you today how to launch and capture your DJI Mini 3 from your hand. I used to be a little afraid to do this, and I'll show you something that happened to me that made me a little leery. So it's ready to go. As you can see, I've got the drone in my hand. Now, I'll step out here out from under this tree. You can see my drone is ready to go. I'm holding down the launch sequence. I'm looking at my drone here. I'm gonna let go. It started off, took off right from my hand. Now here's the reason I was a little leery of trying to catch my drone before. As you can see, I brought the drone down and I'd go out like this to get it and the drone would go away from me. It would come back down and I'd go to get it and it would go away from me. But look at this. I put my hand out and just bring my drone down and it landed right there in my hand. Now, as you can see, this drone has these loose propellers that will actually, if you hit something, they'll spin away. The drone I used to have, and what really made me afraid to try this, and I never did try it, I had a GoPro drone that had fixed propellers, and that actually cut a limb off of this maple tree one day that was as big as my little finger and did not crash. That right there told me I didn't want to launch that with my hand and catch it with my hand. But this drone is so much smaller. Instead of weighing 5.5 pounds, it weighs 249 grams. So in order to launch and catch it, it's not that big of a deal. Takes right off of my hand. I can fly it around